6 signs that you may have high cholesterol. Why is it so important to keep cholesterol at the normal levels, and how to maintain it within the health limits? Cholesterol is a vital, fat-like substance that is contained in each cell of our body, as well as in our blood. Most of the cholesterol is produced by the liver, and the rest is procured through food. Cholesterol has extremely important reasons for our body and functions. It participates in the construction of cell membranes and in the formation of sexes and adrenal hormones. Without cholesterol, the body cannot synthesize vitamin D, which is indispensable to healthy bones, nor produces bile acid, without which fat in the body cannot be processed properly. When an excess of cholesterol accumulates in the body, it cannot be broken down, and this increases the risks to our health. The main danger is the onset of atherosclerosis, which in turn is the cause of most cardiovascular diseases such as a heart attack, for example. The causes of increased levels of cholesterol in the blood are different: hereditary predisposition, chronic liver disease, thyroid gland, and diabetes. A sure way to maintain a normal cholesterol level is regular testing. Specialists recommend, except for total, to monitor still poor LDL and good HDL cholesterol, as well as triglycerides. It is known that 20 years is the age in which the first examination for determining the values of cholesterol should be done. Revealed in time, increased cholesterol can be overcome and cannot lead to serious health problems later. Here are 6 signs that you may have high cholesterol. 1. Yellow growths on your eyelids. Did you know that yellowish eyelid can be a sign of high cholesterol? Take a good look at the eyelids. If you notice yellow spots, make a doctor's appointment, check your cholesterol levels and your heart's health. Also, do you notice painless yellow growths of the upper and lower eyelids? This phenomenon is called xanthelasma, and it is a clear indication that you have high blood cholesterol levels. 2. Gray-colored ring around your cornea. Often this is a sign of aging, so it should not be a cause for worry. But if you are far from retired, the gray circle around the iris may indicate high cholesterol and blood fat, which very often means a risk of heart attack or stroke. This gray-colored ring or lacquer is actually composed of cholesterol that collects in the deeper parts of your cornea. 3. Tingling sensation in the hands and feet. The tingling sensation of the hands and feet may indicate a problem in your body. This should be taken seriously because these symptoms can be caused by serious health problems. If the blood vessels are blocked by cholesterol, it is likely that you will feel tingling in your hands and feet because your peripheral nerves are not getting enough blood, oxygen, and nutrients for their proper functioning. 4. Pain in the neck and back of the head. Because cholesterol levels that are too high can cause some of your blood vessels to block, it's very possible that your circulation is obstructed. Such can leave your neck sensitive and deteriorate from time to time. The shoulder can also be felt in the same way. Medical practitioners say that high blood cholesterol levels can also make you have a headache, especially in the back of your head. 5. Rapid or pounding beating of the heart. When a person says that she has heart palpitations, she thinks of the inner feeling that her heart beats something different from the usual one. Or, it simply has the awareness of the heartbeat. Most of the time, heart palpitations are harmless, and they are often experienced after exercise or engaging in the intense physical activity. Sometimes they are due to anxiety, stress, and the intake of certain drugs. Palpitations may also indicate problems with the cardiovascular system, but high cholesterol levels are one of them. Clogging the blood vessels due to cholesterol can lead to an accelerated operation of your heart. 6. Unhealthy diet and lifestyle. If you eat plenty of fatty foods and avoid fruits and vegetables that contain a lot of fiber, if you are a smoker, and if you drink alcohol in excessive amounts, if you are overweight, and do not exercise regularly, then there is a great chance that your cholesterol level is already high. But sometimes high cholesterol depends on our genes. About 1 in 500 people have a specific genetic mutation that leads to the accumulation of cholesterol in their blood. These people suffer from high cholesterol regardless of their lifestyle. If you suspect that you may have high cholesterol, then please start eating a healthy diet and get levels checked out at the hospital. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.